Meghalaya government has called the Northeast Petroleum Mazdoor Union for talks in Nongpor on Wednesday. Minister in charge of Food and Civil Supplies, Kamingwan Mbon, assured the citizens and said there is sufficient stock of petroleum in the state. It may be mentioned that the Northeast Petroleum Mazdoor Union has announced that they no longer be transporting petroleum products into Meghalaya from November 29th. In protest against Meghalaya police alleging the former of torturing and intimidating oil tankers, drivers and attendants.
I request all the people of the state not to panic because as of now, these petrol retailers, they have the stock. Till today they will have the load. I don't think there will be a problem regarding this. As of now, we cannot say anything regarding that. Because as of now, we have the stock. Fully we have the stock. Then tomorrow we will have the meeting in Gibraltar, in South House by 12 o'clock. I think they will solve all this problem.